Water, earth, fire.
The first step is fill a container with water. The second step is fill another container with water and add some dish soap. Then, mix the water and dish soap very well. The third step is to take a cylinder with butane gas and compress the cylinder so that the butane goes into the water. This will result in the creation of bubbles in the solution. For the fourth step, wet your hands by dipping them to the container with water. The fifth step is, once you have created that solution, you can either 1. Light the butane bubbles on fire, or 2. Scoop up some bubble solution in your hands and then light the butane bubbles on fire. The last step is, once you are done, dispose of the materials. Always remember to observe fire safety techniques before and after performing the experiment.
Butane is a highly flammable gas, which means that it burns relatively easy. It also burns at a low temperature, which means that the flames themselves tend to not be all that hot. When your hands are full of the bubble solution, the butane will burn and the water and soap will not, creating a fascinating effect without too much danger to yourself. If you are nervous about doing this experiment in your hands, lighting the bubbles on fire while still in the pan will also create some pretty dramatic results.
Magic milk experiment. For the first step, pour about 1 tablespoon of dish soap into a small container. Then set aside. Step 2. Carefully pour milk onto a dinner plate. Let the milk sit for a minute until it becomes completely still. Step 3. Drop food coloring into the milk in the middle of the dish. Keep the colors separate. Step 4. Dip a cotton swab into the dish soap. Step 5. Place the dipped cotton swab in the middle of a color and observe the magical reaction. For the last step, when completed, dispose of milk in the sink.
As the soap molecules connect to the fat molecules, the molecules of the food coloring get pushed around everywhere, resulting in an explosion of colors. As the majority of soap molecules attach to the fat molecules and the soap spreads throughout the milk, the color explosion will slow and eventually stop. Add more soap and see if there are more fat molecules that haven't attached to the soap yet. If there are unattached fat molecules still, the color explosion will begin again.